Hello students, how are you? Today's topic is trigonometry and you are all welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, so trigonometry is the next topic in maths. So here we are going to introduce the term theta, that is for a right angle triangle. ABC, we are going to introduce the term theta. Theta is like this, you write like this. Theta, that is angle, it represents angle. And the triangle what we take here is right angle triangle. Okay, so before going to trigonometry you should know Pythagoras theorem. So last video you have seen I've taught about Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so what is Pythagoras theorem? Pythagoras theorem states that in a right angle triangle the square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. Okay, which is hypotenuse here? That is 90 degree. Opposite to 90 degree, the side opposite to 90 degree is called as hypotenuse. So listen to me very carefully. Wherever 90 degree is there, just opposite to that side is called as hypotenuse. And theta, near to theta is called as adjacent side. Near to theta is called as adjacent side, or also it is called as base. Okay, and opposite to theta is perpendicular, or you can call it as opposite side. Or we can call it as perpendicular. P. And hypotenuse is H. So again I'll repeat, 90 degree, opposite to 90 degree, the side which is opposite to 90 degree is called as hypotenuse, and adjacent side is near to the theta is called adjacent side, and opposite to theta is called opposite side, which is that is AB, which is opposite to theta is called as opposite side, or else you can call it as perpendicular. So now there is a combination, that is we have H as hypotenuse, base and perpendicular. Now I am going to introduce this trigonometrical ratios. Okay, which are the trigonometric ratios? That is sin theta. This is the full form. Okay, sin theta is the full form, which we can write short as sin theta. We should pronounce it as sin theta. Then comes cosine theta. Cosine theta is the short form. What you want to write? That is as cos theta. Then tangent theta, that is tan theta. Cotangent theta is equal to cot theta. Then you have secant theta, that is sec theta. Cosecant theta, that is cosecant or cosec theta. Okay, so sin theta, this is the full form, sin theta. Cosine theta is cos theta, short form. Tangent theta is tan theta, and cotangent theta is cot theta. Secant theta is sec theta. Cosecant theta is cosec theta. Okay, these are the short form. So in the textbook we are going to use only the short form, but pronunciation you have to pronounce it fully. Okay, what is sin theta? Sin theta is, you have the table. Okay, you have the table, that is sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. Reciprocal of sin theta is cosecant theta. Okay, reciprocal of cos theta is secant theta. Reciprocal of tan theta is cot theta. Okay, so in this ratios, that is sin theta is perpendicular by hypotenuse. and cos theta is base by hypotenuse. Tan theta is perpendicular by base. Okay. Sin theta is perpendicular by hypotenuse. Cos theta is base by hypotenuse. Then similarly, you can take it as cosecant theta is hypotenuse by perpendicular, and secant theta is hypotenuse by base, and cot theta is base by perpendicular. So if you learn this table, you can cover up. Okay, you can take down that. Content. So these are the basic things you should know you should know the basic things about trigonometry. You should know the triangle, okay, and Pythagoras theorem. You should able to recognize wherever theta is there, near to the theta, the side near to the theta is adjacent side, and theta, if the opposite of that theta is perpendicular or opposite side, and opposite to the side opposite to 90 degrees is hypotenuse. And this is called as trigonometrical ratios. That is, sin theta is perpendicular by hypotenuse, cos theta is base by hypotenuse, tan theta is perpendicular by base. Okay. Thank you for watching Introduction to Trigonometry. See you next episode.